হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকের ভিডিওতে আমরা শিখব 65 প্লাস বেসিক ইংলিশ কোশ্চেন্স অ্যান্ড আনসার। চলুন শুরু করি। আর ইউ ওকে? ইয়েস, আই অ্যাম ওকে। হোয়াট আর ইউ ডুইং? আই অ্যাম কুকিং ফর মাই ফ্যামিলি। আর ইউ বিজি? ইয়েস, আই অ্যাম বিজি। I don't have time now. Do you understand? No, I don't understand. Are you busy? Yes, I have a lot of things to do. Where is your mom? She goes to the supermarket. When do you get off work? I get off work at 6. I get off work at 6. How is the weather? It's very cold today. How is the weather? It's very cold today. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? I would like to go shopping. I would like to go shopping. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. When is your birthday? My birthday is August 25th. When are you leaving? I am leaving tomorrow. Where is the closest restaurant? There is a restaurant over there, but I don't think it's very good. What does he do for work? He is an engineer. Is it raining? Yes, it's raining. How tall are you? I am 5 foot 1. How old are you? I am 25. How old are you? I am 25 years old. How old are you? I am 25 years old. How much money do you have? I don't have any money. What do you do for work? I am a student. What do you do for work? I am a student. How does it taste? It's delicious. How much are these books? How much are these books? 350 taka. How much altogether? 750 taka in all. How many languages do you speak? I speak two languages. How many children do you have? I have three children, two boys and one girl. How is she? She is pretty. She is pretty. How far is it? About 300 kilometers. How are you? I am fine. And you? Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Sorry, we only accept cash. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. Do you have any vacancies? Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Do you have a girlfriend? No, I don't have a girlfriend. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Are you sure? No, I am not sure. Are you sick? Yes, I am sick. Are you married? No, I am not married. Are you ready? No, I am not ready yet. Are you allergic to anything? Yes, I am allergic to seafood. Are you afraid? No, I am not afraid. And you? I am good. Thank you. Are they the same? Yes, they are the same. Anything else? Nothing else. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed it's supposed to sunny tomorrow. What time does it start? It 8:55. It 8:55. When will he be back? He will be back in 20 minutes. Who would you like to speak to? I would like to speak to principal, please. How many money do you have? I only have 20 taka. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. May I have a look? Yes, of course. What have you been up to lately? I am doing a lot of work. Are you good at cooking? No, I am not. Are you free this Sunday? Are you free this Sunday? Yes. What? Would you be able to come at 8 a.m.? I'm sorry. I won't be free in the afternoon. Tea or coffee? Tea, please. For here or to go? To go, please. How do you like this one? It's very nice. Have you got anything a size bigger? Of course. Let me show you. Is it far from here? No, it will take 5 minutes to walk. Is it the right way to the station? Yes, go straight on. Where are you going? Take me to the airport, please. Have you got that? Yes, I got it. Have you tried Chinese food? No, but I would like to try. What does labor mean? It means to work hard. When will it be convenient for you? Anytime in the morning. How many people are there in your family? We are of three. We have one child, a son. Don't you think so? Yes, I agree with you.